Hi everyone, this is going to be a how to replace your Volkswagen Passat key. So first things first, you can remove this physical key, and then you need to push towards opposite of the button. So you push it to the side, remove this piece, and then the actual physical plastic key. So you need a flat screwdriver, and it's a little weird watching through the camera, but push it in here between the plastic, push it up. One side pops up and the other one kind of between this area. So a little forward, don't be afraid, and just pop it out. And then you have the battery itself. So it's kind of doesn't want to wiggle out immediately, so you just give it some force. Okay, once you got the battery out, it's important, it's a 3-volt battery, but you need to get 2032, so that's important not to miss the number. And then when we have the let me see, 2032, open this up, put the new battery in, plus goes on the top, like so. This will push it downwards. So now it's important, there's a clip here, so you just align these two. So there's edges here and here. So between these two plastics, they go between here. And then this part, you just snap it like that, it's back into place. So watch for the gap for the metal part, push it like this, and then you just put it back like that, put the physical key back in its position. And that's it, that's the key. Just test if it works. So you can see red flashing thing, it works. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure to like it. If it helped, leave a comment below and share it with someone if they need to replace their key battery for the Volkswagen Passat. And to test if the car works, I'm not trying to purposely not show the plate. Works, lock, there you go.